Is your shop like mine? Tons of little scraps like this everywhere? Stick around, show you something fun to make. So here's my quick, easy solution for that. Because you know, kids get cranky. So, you take the phone, just gonna measure how thick it is. Check it out. Nice and easy, don't crack the screen, you don't have to put a ton of pressure on there. Yeah, 7/16 we'll call it. So, that's how thick it is. My idea is to make this into a stand that will hold the phone up at a little bit of an angle so the kids can watch what they want to watch. We'll see how it turns out. Well, got it all sanded. Not the same foam we measured, because of course. But anyway, slides right in. A little bit loose on this one. It'll fit a little bit tighter on the other one. So all you do, set your phone down, boom. Problem solved. Nice little holder. Didn't cost anything. Could probably drill a hole through there, try a little lanyard to it or something if he wants to hang it on the wall or whatever. Could engrave it, get the CNC machine out, their name on it if you're doing something for Christmas for the kids, something simple, fun that they might all like. But nice and simple. Presto, they can watch all their YouTube videos. So stay tuned for more fun stuff to come.